everyone, my name is Safia and I'm from Tampines Junior College. When they called me and said that I was in this competition, I actually didn't believe them. I thought it was some prank call from some random street. I wanted to hang up on them. Then they said, and then the guy said he was short, and I was like, oh my gosh, shut up, shut up! And then wow, and now it took me quite a long time for me to accept the fact that I'm one of the top 16 for Singapore Can Speak. So in this competition, I hope I can learn new skills for public speaking, and I have this burning desire to succeed and become the best speaker in Singapore. So I will do whatever it takes to win this competition, but not killing anyone now. So I really hope my friends and my families will come. So please support me, please support Safia and this bow ribbon. Okay, my name is Safia. I'm from Tampines Junior College and